Hello and welcome back to another video. Today's project is a little different than usual. Recently I went on a holiday and wanted to bring along a small hand sewing project. Something to do that's relaxing after a very busy few months. While searching for ideas, I came across a Totoro Plushie pattern that I found online. My Neighbor Totoro is one of my favorite anime films, so I decided to make Totoro. Just before leaving for my trip, I may have gotten a little too ahead of myself and started cutting out the pieces and appliquing Totoro's face before I even had thought of recording. So we'll be starting the video partway through the build with some of the pieces already prepared. Let's get into making Totoro. I carefully cut out Totoro's arms and then pinned his arms, ears, back and tail right sides together. I also took this time to pin the front darts on Totoro's face so that I could do all the sewing in one go while the weather outside wasn't the best for exploring. I then sewed Totoro's tail, ears, arms and back together with a 1 cm seam allowance. When sewing each of these together, I made sure to leave a section like this unsewn so that I could turn each of the pieces right sides out and fill them with stuffing later on. After tidying up the seams with scissors to reduce the bulk, I flipped the ears, arms and tail right sides out. I then sewed the front darts before pinning Totoro's front and back right sides together and sewed the body with a 1 cm seam allowance. If you are interested in learning more about sewing darts, I have a handy tutorial video on my channel which will help you sew professional looking darts first time, every time. I then turned the body right sides out and started filling his body with as much stuffing as I had. After completing this step, the weather had cleared and I was out of stuffing, so I went out exploring again. After a quick stop on the way home to get some more stuffing, I stuffed the remaining parts of Totoro before hand sewing them all closed. Now for the most exciting part, hand sewing all the Totoro pieces together. And there he is, my Totoro plushie is finished. Doesn't he look so cool? Thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it. I had a great time sewing Totoro and making this video. I've linked the pattern in the description below in case you'd like to make your own Totoro plushie. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. Until next time, bye for now.